Hello and welcome to this MIDI for Trees basics video. Today we're talking about tree regions and movement vectors. At the heart of MIDI for Trees is an advanced system that detects colors in your tree videos or camera input and uses those colors to create regions or tree regions that it can then track. And it's the tracking of those regions that allows us to generate MIDI note data and MIDI CC data. So we're in the MIDI for Trees editor. We're going to use a video file, as the input source. And let's check the display on the overlay to make sure we're showing the tree regions. I'll switch off the overall movement vectors for now, just so that this video is clearer. And I've also switched off the piano overlay. These are the different color ranges that MIDI for Trees will use to detect colors in your tree. And also, the tree regions will be bounded by blue boxes, and we can change the color if we want to. So let's save the configuration and we'll launch the app. So now you can see how MIDI for Trees has used those colors to detect regions in your tree video and put bounding boxes around them. And they will move around as the tree moves in the wind. And you'll see shortly how we can use those to track vectors. So let's go down to our detection scales, and here we've enabled micro scale, which means the minimum area that it will use to detect colors is 100 pixels. But if we use the macro scale, which is a 5,000 pixel detection zone, and we restart the software, now you can see how there are far fewer colored detected regions, and in fact it's detected the entire tree. So let's switch micro scale back on, which is far more useful in this particular case. And now in the display, let's switch on movement vectors. And movement vectors are the arrows that are associated with those tree regions. And they'll appear as white arrows. Let's switch off the tree region display, just so we can make this video clearer for you, and we'll restart the software. So now you can see how those detected regions generate vectors that move around in relation to the movement of the tree. And we'll soon see how we can use those for our MIDI. That's it for now. Bye-bye.